Valer, anong sabi ko sa imo arkanang mo ko ako mo niya na week?
Hunda. Fudge.
PA sa Kalina.
Duwa na pa mo?
May yaw na si Lina. Ako siya na si Lina.
Oo, tangina masurti yung pack. Mahalin na mga nilina, baga.
Sabi na kaya sa imo, madadali ko ang Lina.
Tangina masurti. Hindi ka na pilsid.
May na, tayo na nakangirit na.
Wala,
hide and seek. It's within thy win. The middle tower is down.
Wow! PA na lang.
So much meat, so little time.
PA na lang ang
I'm on
kulang.
fire.
Tunay kay po ako kaniyong belt ni Lina.
Where's that little barracks to pieces?
57 pesos. Ah. Ina Immortal Treasure 2016 pa.
Just why don't you look in your bottom town?
Sakto yaw hindi si Bado ni Lina. Ano daw?
What? Let them have it. You got bigger fish to feed.
O-focus kita sa Arcana. Na mayo ken tapon din sa treasure na niya eh. Maubusan na naman kitang candy kang hamog na eh.
Stop! Look at this face. Good one down there. Also, just so you know, I think is it a monster kill? Look, this is my one. I love senseless violence, and I can't help it. That's a triple hit. Good stuff. The middle towers, sad pile of rock. Wait till they see what you have in store for an option. The tower's down. Enough fighters. Stronger. Yes. Godlike.
Putik yaw. Kasi 2018 Treasure. Bakit?
Sana. Sana makapang-Arcana. Putang ina, brother. Nakakakuha akong Arcana ni Enchantress. Joke lang. Meron ka na ba si Enchantress?
Mayo. At bintana sa SF mo, excited